Hello everyone. Today is a very special moment for us at Wrong Canvas. Wrong Canvas is not just a brand. It is a dream. A mission to change the way creative education works, especially for art and design students.
Back in 2019, Mr. Tamal Talukdar and Mrs. Rituparna Talukdar saw a vision. After teaching and running a small successful art school, they understood the real struggles of students, the limitations of traditional drawing books, the challenges of local art schools, and the huge gap between what students get and what they actually need.
From this understanding, a dream was born. A dream to give every student the power to paint their own life's canvas with confidence and color. And that dream became Wrong Canvas, Bharat ka apna art education platform. In 2022, the brand was born. And today, Wrong Canvas is transforming again. A new identity, a new vision, and a future-ready approach for every learner.
We are rebranding everything, our new brand identity and our new business model to brand new website, to create a truly modern, accessible, and revolutionary creative art education platform. So come, join us in celebrating this new chapter of Wrong Canvas. Your support, love, and trust make this journey possible.
And don't forget to follow us for more updates, new features, and a colorful future ahead. Visit wrongcanvas.in now.